What's up, Overlanders? Okay, if your 4th gen 4Runner is anything like mine, you've got a soft parking brake, and I've been doing some reading online about some adjustment that's down in the wheel, in the hub, and other wires and things in the center console. So we're gonna see if we can try to fix that. I get about 12, 13 clicks on my e-brake, and the spec is supposed to be 5 to 7. So first thing we got to do is take the wheels off. There's a lever, something in there that we adjust. Let's do it. Oh, and make sure you're in neutral and your parking brake is off. And I shouldn't have to tell you, but make sure you chock your front tires so that you're not going to roll away. Also, shouldn't have to tell you, when you jack it up, get some jack stands under there. You don't want to leave all your weight on the jack. There's one hole in the rotor. What you want to do is you want to spin it around until right at the bottom here there's a star wheel that you want to spin up or down to tighten or loosen the e-brake for this side. And what I read online is that you're going to want to tighten it all the way and then back it off 2 clicks, and that's the right spot. So let's try it. Okay, so now it's nice and tight. Can't move it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna back it back off. So up is tight, down is loose. I'm gonna back it off 2 clicks so that the brakes aren't scrubbing. There we go. 2 clicks, we're nice and loose again. We can go do it to the other side and then test the brake. Okay, all done. So I followed exactly the instructions that I found online, and I tightened the star wheel until I couldn't anymore. And then I backed it off. I ended up backing it off 3 clicks because it still felt like there was some rubbing from the brakes after backing it off 2 clicks. And when I had backed it off 2 clicks, my pedal was around 5 to 7 clicks, which is what it said, but I'm a little paranoid, so I backed it off another click. I'm more at like 8 or 9 clicks till it gets tight on the parking brake pedal. But I'm happy with it. It's a lot better than 13 or 14 clicks. So thanks for watching. Make sure you always torque your lug nuts. I usually do mine to about 82. So, and here's my beautiful girlfriend Sarah. Say hello. Thanks again for watching, guys.